So vision board templates, should we model them or should you create your own? That is the biggest question that I see most people have uh, been asking for quite a long time. So here's what I have to tell you. There are lots of free as well as paid templates online available for you to use. So you can choose to go how you want to go when trying to come up with creating your own vision board. You can choose to go the free route where you can actually free platform Canva.com. You can lay out a wallpaper template or a square and add on grids and frames from the elements tab. So take a look at those things and then start adding pictures that you want to add on to every area of your life. So having a vision board that is simple and clear and clutter free is very important because it's going to help you focus on those things that actually uh, are going to into your life. So when taking a look at the second point, that to take a look at templates that you are able to find online. It can be when you are doing a Google search on the Google image search, or you're trying to take a look at other templates in the creative marketplace, where there are thousands of other templates that you can actually take and replace them with your own images. So having a look at other images or other vision boards created by others are going to help you decide on what kind of vision board you want to be like. Because most people try to go about most vision boards that I take a look at, you will see that they're kind of vague and isn't specific enough. So when you try to create a vision board, try to be very specific about the things that you want in your life. Because if it is, even if it is minimal, is at least you're specific and you know exactly what you want in every area of your life, because um, focusing on being specific is much better than being vague about it and just wishy-washy about it. So when you're wishing for it, it's really hard to attract those things in life, but when you're very specific about it, the universe of God will be able to help you bring those things into your life. Remember that. And the third point that I have for you when when trying to come up with when you're trying to choose whether to go ahead with vision board templates, whether it's free or paid, is take a look at those templates, and those templates shouldn't take you away from the focus of your life. Meaning, what I mean by that, the focus should be to add those things into your life, and if they don't try to add if they don't try to add meaning to your life, you need to remove them from that. If they don't try to fit into your core focus that you have any going on right now, like for example, this let's say this year you want to achieve certain things in your life. You want those things in your life. Let's say you want to buy a new laptop. Let's say you want a new phone. Let's say you want to travel to this place. Let's say you want to have this kind of a lifestyle. Let's say you want to move to another country. Let's say you want to meet someone. Let's say you want to date someone. Whatever those kind of immediate things that you have, those are your primary desires and needs and wants. So don't when you try to take a look at the other templates, maybe those kind of templates are trying to take away your frame of trying to model after them. So when you're trying to come up with a vision board, uh, whether that's free or paid, try to know what core things that you want to add to your vision board, and trying to add those things to your vision board first is very important, because once you, even if you have not found the image that you want to add to your vision board, try to at least write down exactly what you're going to add on that particular block or cell that I try to teach inside my vision board mini course. So my vision board mini course is going to actually help you create a vision board that is very dynamic, and it actually covers 5 different areas of life. It will teach you the structure, the methodology, the basics, the concepts, and I'm also going to add 5 different bonuses, and they're covered in 7 different modules, and I'm going to help you make your vision board come to life, because vision board creation is going to be the very first step that is going to help you achieve things that most people will struggle even by writing down goals every single day. So vision board, once you have it in visual form, it's going to speak a lot to you. And every day when you take a look at your vision board, whether you have them saved on your desktop, of your computer or your laptop, or you've saved them on your phone, you definitely take a look at it and you keep being reminded of the things that you want in your life. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. The question of this video I have for you is, let me know in the comments below, why do you think going for a free template is good, or why do you think going for a paid template is good? Because do you like templates, or do you like to go about following your own creative idea of things that you want to add to your vision board? If you like this video, definitely check out this course that I have for you. It's really incredible exposure from thousands of other students who are going to come down in the future and going to check out this course. So like this video, hit the like button, and this is going to help this video to be seen by thousands of other people and help me grow my channel, and definitely subscribe to this video.